Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit old vintage filter using Lightroom Mobile. There are some examples photo before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the exposure point to 2. Contrast -100. Highlights +61. Shadows -29. Whites -65. Blacks -50. Go to curve. Follow the settings. And go to color. Temp +4. Vibrance +25. Saturation -38. Go to color mix. First go to red color and bring the hue +2. Saturation -70. Next go to orange. Saturation -45. Go to yellow. Hue +7. Go to green. Hue -93. Saturation +61. Luminance +48. Go sky blue. Hue -26. Saturation +7. Luminance -6. Go to blue. Hue -7. Go to purple. Saturation -61. Go to pink. Saturation -25. And done. Next go to effects. Bring the clarity +25. Dehiz +28. Vintage -19. Grain amount +69. Size +98. Roughness +97. Now go to details. Sharpening +93. Detail +37. Color noise reduction +16. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time, have a great day.